Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cube Collector. Today we're going to check what is inside Apple Cube. So let's see and open it. So first we take the top out. Now we got screw. We're going to unscrew that. Okay. We take that middle out. We take the pieces out one by one. Okay, so that's how it looks Apple Cube inside. So let's take everything out. So that's how it looks when it's all pieces out. Okay, so now we're trying to fix this cube. Okay, so let's find out how to fix that now. Okay, we got one piece. We got another piece. Okay, we need one more. I think it's this one. Yes, it is. Okay, slowly fixing. Now we need 4 of those small pieces. We need to put over here. Two. Okay. 3 and one more small piece. Now we need middle pieces. No, other side here, and one more. So we come back where we were before, and now we make the top. At the corner. Almost there, guys, almost there. Let's make first corners. One corner, another corner, and only top. We need screw. And the last piece. Here we go. So we just check what was inside Apple Cube. Thank you guys for watching and see you to the next video. Bye bye.